Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we have Ford Fiesta MK8 and I want to show you how to replace the backlights on this Ford Fiesta. So we want to start with backlights, corner sides, so these, and there is few options how to do it. As I'm removing disassemble the whole car, for me it's kind of easier, but as you can see over here you have this piece you can push in, and behind that one is the screw for the lamp, so for the light. But maybe it's more easier for you to just remove this whole piece. So this black trim that's holder, I'm gonna use this part, this type of a tool, and just gently find a way over here. Maybe just start with over here and then push out like this. You just need to find where is the plug. So you're gonna break probably something, as I did. So, but these are not that expensive. As you can see over here, here is the light. So it is possible to get to it just like this. So you would need to push that, but far more easier just to have this like that. So, and then you just turn it around. If it's really hard, be careful, you don't want to break these, because this broke and this can also break kind of easier. So maybe use some tools. But yeah, this one I was kind of lucky, it does go. So once you unscrew that, let me unscrew it because it's quite a long one. So as I said before, it's quite long, quite big, and that's for that. After that we just go, and now you have this bad boy, the pin over here, and you need to be extra careful not to break it. I tried few ways how to do it, and basically there is no good way, to be honest. Most of the time it's just, let's call that a pure luck for me, because I do this often. But you can take some sort of like this plastic tool, again also a longer screwdriver if you're lucky, if you have that one, like all the way down, and just pull it back. Some spray also would be nice. If nobody never changed this, it's tend to be really stuck. Basically most of the time what I do, I just try to wiggle it like this until it's a little bit out. After that plastic tool or screwdriver, that's basically for me it's the best. If you're not really sure about that, maybe leave it to someone who knows a little bit more, because it tends to break over here or even over here. So yeah, and to be honest, I did break a lot of them. So wiggle it and try to put the plastic tool over here. So that's the way to go for me, at least. Let me show you. So you take it out. Here is the hole, and here is the pin that you need to take out. So, and yeah, one more thing, if it's quite cold outside, better don't do it outside, because it's plastic, so it does want to break. So Here is the lamp outside. You can also remove this plastic over here. So there is only one electricity that you need to unplug. That goes quite easy. So like that, and you just pull it out. So that's one lamp out, and it didn't break. That's quite achievement for this cold weather. So other side as well. Here you can see that's the plug over there. So just pull all this out and unscrew it. So let me unscrew it and then we continue with all of this. So once you turn it all around, full out, it's quite long. Try not, you can use a screwdriver over here, but most of the time I just use this bad boy. It kind of feels better for me. So let's see how lucky we're for this side. This one seems a little harder. So what you can do also, best way is just wiggle it. The other side went pretty much good. This one we will see once I make enough room to put that plastic tool inside. So like this. It's kind of hard with one hand. So yeah, this one was also not that hard. That's always a good thing. So what remains is just to unplug the electricity, and that's it. Does get a lot of dirt inside, so sometimes it does not wanna go easy. So those are the outside ones, and the inside, for the inside you have to remove this plastic, and there is one screw over here. Again, this one does not want to cooperate, so I'm gonna use my favorite tool and just turn it around like that. It's not that hard. There is only one that holds that one, so you unscrew it as best till the end. You have this electricity over here, and after that use your plastic tool, you will need it. So like that, just a little bit of wiggly and plastic tool somewhere. We'll see when it pops out a little bit, so it pops out over here. And what you need to do is just, so here is one pin, I don't know if you're gonna see, and there is a little bit help needed for this, so a little bit of help over here, and then you push up over here as best as you can. So let me show you. So like this, you just try to click it out. As you can see, here is the one pin, and here is the place where it's, so that's the one pin over here, and one that you unscrew. So not that hard, but sometimes it just does not want to cooperate, and then you have smaller problems. So that's that one. The same goes for the other side. So you unplug that, unscrew it, take out the power, Again, I'm gonna use my special tool for that, just for start. Once you start, it's quite easy. Pull it all out. It does take a little bit time, but as you can see, this video is about 10-15 minutes, depends how long it's gonna take me, so nothing overly too long. Again, a little bit wiggle, here goes easy, but the pin over here, that's something to take in consideration when you're removing it. Sometimes it's kind of easy, you just wiggle it out. Sometimes it's just pain, real pain to do it. But yeah, this one was not that hard. So basically that's the all 4 back lamps. These are normal ones, no LEDs, nothing. So yeah, all 4 done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. And if you have anything else that you would like me to show on Fiesta, write in comments and I will see what we can do from this one. As that's basically it. Thank you and see you next one.